Incremental greetings, this is Guillem Palau, also known as William Palace. Today, I want to share with you how you can recreate the sources. As you can tell here, I tried several times and I failed to do so. Because I imported this from an EPUB book, so when I imported, I created no references. So what you will do is, the title is Unschooling Rules, the 5 ways, Usually you go here, the parent, process browser, reference, set reference, and then you filter. As you can see, there's no track of the unschooling rules 55, which is actually here, right? Is where it is. I don't see it. Let's go back here. It's nowhere to be seen. So I will try again, but using a different topic. Okay, here I will paste and I say, please make this the title. Okay, make this the author. Now it's here. By default, it's hidden because of the CSS class is using. If I go back to this, now it is shown. Now we need to select everything and set the reference. Reference, set reference. And here it is. So now we just accept. And now it's everything done. Now, as you can tell, it doesn't matter where I click, I will have the sources set. When I delete this or when I select done, I will get rid of this. I no longer need that.